Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Everyone likes free stuff. People get excited at the idea of getting something without having to pay for it. Technically, bonus shares are free, but are they really beneficial to you? Let's try to find out. What exactly are bonus shares? Hearing the word bonus, most people will get quite happy. Bonus shares are shares given to the shareholders of the company without any additional cost. They are free shares. After a bonus issue, the number of shares owned by every shareholder of the company increases. Let me give you an example. Let's say I have 10 shares of XYZ Limited. XYZ Limited announces a 1 for 1 bonus issue. In this case, for every one share owned by a shareholder, he or she will get one additional share for free. So I will get 10 free shares for the 10 shares that I already own. The total number of shares that I will have after the bonus issue will be 20, that is 10 plus 10 free shares. Let's try a different ratio. If XYZ Limited comes up with a 2 for 1 bonus issue, then I will get 20 free shares for the 10 shares that I already own. After a 2 for 1 bonus issue, the total number of shares that I will have in XYZ Limited will be 30. That is 10 shares that I already owned and 20 shares that the company gave me for free. Now, you must be wondering, why is the company giving me free shares? Why don't they charge me money for these shares? Won't the company be at a loss? Let me explain. Say, for example, there is a company whose share capital is divided into 10 shares. There are 10 shareholders and each shareholder has one share each. So every shareholder is holding 10% of the company, that is 1 divided by 10. Now, if the company comes up with a 1 for 1 bonus issue, then every shareholder will get one additional share for free. So, after the bonus issue, every shareholder will have 2 shares instead of 1. However, their percentage ownership in the company remains the same. Earlier, they had 1 out of 10 shares. Now, they have 2 out of 20 shares. But their percentage ownership still remains 10%. You see, even after a bonus issue, the shareholders are actually not getting any monetary benefit. The percentage of the company that they own remains constant. I will give you a very simple example to sum up bonus issues. Let's say there is a 1 kilogram cake. If you cut the cake into 10 big pieces or you cut it into 20 small pieces, the quantity of the cake will remain 1 kilogram. Everyone will get one big piece or two small pieces, but the quantity of the cake that each person is getting remains constant. Bonus issue is the same. The number of equity shares that a company's equity share capital is divided into changes, but the percentage ownership of each shareholder remains constant. So neither the shareholders get any monetary benefit nor the company suffers any monetary loss. Then why do company managements come up with bonus issues? What is the point of a bonus issue? There is actually a very good reason behind it. Let me give you an example. Let's say a company's share price is 20,000 rupees. This is a very high share price. A lot of retail participants will not invest or trade in this company's share because their investment amount may not be so high. If less people participate in the investing and trading of this share, the trading volumes of this company's share will go down. As a result, the price of the company's share won't move much because trading is required for the share price to move up or down. Traders make sure that company's share price reflects all the latest news and results of the company. Now let's say the company has very good quarterly results. There are a lot of good news about this company and it seems like the company is going to have a very bright future. However, the share price of this company is not going up. The share price is not moving at all and the share remains undervalued. This is because very few traders are trading this company's share. So the management decides to come up with a solution. They announce a 9 for 1 bonus issue. Every one share of this company will get 9 free shares. So a person owning one share of this company before the bonus issue will have 10 shares of this company after it. The share price will fall from 20,000 to 2,000 rupees per share. Instead of one share of 20,000 rupees, every shareholder will have 10 shares of 2,000 rupees. Their total wealth remains 20,000. Now, 2,000 is a very reasonable sum. Earlier, a lot of investors and traders were not able to participate in this company's share because the share price was too high. However, now they will start investing or trading because the share price is a lot lower. The trading volumes of this company will go up. We all know this company's share was undervalued. As more and more traders start trading in this company's share, the price of it will rise and eventually it will reflect the true value of this company. As the share price increases, the shareholders will benefit. Also, investors like bonus issues a lot, so the image and reputation of this company will improve after the bonus issue. One important point: a lot of investors invest in companies just because they regularly announce bonus issues. They think that the company must be good because they are giving bonus shares regularly. However, after seeing this video, you would have realized that bonus issues don't carry any monetary benefit. Yes, they improve the reputation and image of the company. The trading volumes go up. However, there is no immediate monetary benefit for the shareholders. You should research and invest in those companies that have a bright future. Bonus issue should not be a criteria for deciding whether to invest in a company or not. If you have any doubts, then ask them in the comment section. I would be glad to answer. If you have any video suggestions or you want to discuss any topic with me, then you can connect with me on social media. I've put the links in the description box. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos. Do share it with your friends and family who might be interested in finance. Stay tuned. Thank you.